But now I'm just petrol.
Bitch, I can't do another one. What's up, you guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name's Jason.
And my name is Jose.
Welcome to our first ever video on our channel. Today we're going to be making
Chamoy, mango, Patron slushies.
Bitch, we're just trying to get fucked up. And it's a Saturday. We might go out after this. So we just decided, let's do what we are best at and record ourselves drinking. So we have our Patron here, some Malibu, some Humex, Tajin, Chamoy, and 2 glasses for us.
We're gonna be taking a step-by-step of how we make our drinks. Y'all can follow us, y'all can get these ingredients. They sell them at basically any grocery store. And of course the liquor at any, liquor store they have around your house. And yeah, just follow us and get fucked up with us.
So step 1, we got our ice.
And our mango chunks that are already pre-cut, which just makes it so much easier. I don't like to cook in the kitchen or clean, so.
And we were gonna buy regular mangoes, but the Target by my house didn't have any produce. Bitch, they didn't even have any chamoy. Like, what the fuck? We had to literally go to like 2 other stores just to get chamoy.
Yeah, just add the mango chunks, the ice,
and our
Humex.
Bitch, we just took 2 shots of Patron, and that shit's about to hit me out of nowhere. I ain't definitely not gonna know how to act.
Okay, now you're gonna add some Malibu or any vodka, honestly, that y'all
Bitch, it's not vodka.
Or rum or whatever. So,
and we're gonna add a few shots, just eyeball that bitch.
2 shots of vodka.
Alright, that's cute, that's cute.
And then we're gonna put 2 shots of Patron.
We can eyeball that shit, but this Patron, bitch, I really need to do shot by shot because this should really be sneaking up on a bitch. And my last experience with tequila, let's just not talk about that one.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and get to the blending part.
So now that our drink is blended, we're gonna dress our cups by dipping them in some lemon juice, in some Tajin. Nice and pretty.
And also we're gonna pour some chamoy inside the cup.
So usually it kind of depends on how you like your chamoy. I don't like too much of it, so I'm just gonna do like around the edges. But I've seen some people like literally fill their shit up with some fucking chamoy. At the bottom.
God damn. Somebody that don't like chamoy.
And now we're gonna pour the drink and give it a try. Whew. Yes, bitch, my pussy is throbbing. So this is our first review on this drink. Kinda good.
Yeah, I actually give it like a good 8.5. You?
I'll rate it like a good 7. I'm not really a big fan of mangoes, but if you guys are looking for any drink that's gonna fuck you up, this is definitely one because I don't taste the Malibu or the Patron in here. And bitch, we put 2 shots of Patron and 1 shot already gets me fucked up. So I already know that this hoe's about to have me on the fucking floor tonight. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. I recommend this. If you guys wanna try it at home, tag us in it and let us know how it comes out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from us, let us know. Give us ideas in the comment section below of like what we should do. This was kind of short because it's our first video. We didn't really know like what to do yet. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna put all our social medias in the description box below, and I'll edit them and put them like here on the screen. We want to try to upload at least once a week or like every
Thursday. Every Thursday, every other Thursday.
So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a madness. Check my account, it's a madness.
Hi, sister.
Hi, how are you?
Well, my name is Jason. Welcome back to Disney Channel. What's up, you guys? Welcome to our channel.
Cut. Take 2. And y'all better motherfucking subscribe.
Y'all better subscribe to ours.
No,